Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to show you how to make a homemade Dalgona coffee. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water. We will need some ice, fresh milk, and ground cinnamon. So let's get this started, guys. Add in the water first, and then the sugar, and next is our instant coffee. Stir it and make sure that they are all well combined. And next is I'm going to use a hand mixer. So mix it until it becomes so creamy like this. Next, guys, is I'm going to put some ice. There you go. And now it's time for our coffee to go on the top. And then, guys, let's sprinkle some ground cinnamon on the top. This is optional. There you are, guys. This is our finished product. It's the homemade Dalgona coffee. Come and join me.